Dero inde Keroka town igamba street sasa chiro ya gachitu ya na World Bank bono nimbata maswali makande tukubula bananchi bagaiga elimo lyabo ningo ogochikobe flag bearer 2027 onye Matiang'i ngo ogochikobe running mate yae alafu tumakubuli naki ingo benda kuba mu governor Nyamira County MP ga kitutu Masava alafu na MC of course njoni pako mwalio yole ndo yani
mbi ande
maleta na kikolo kamili
asa maleta ngoro kudoki Omaro Osoro.
Okay. Nimbata maswali makega ngote tabe presidential candidate ya 2027
mngi
muntu akobe presidential candidate oyo ko bole president Kenya 2027 ngo support
nje Matiang'i
ngote tabe running mate yae
running mate yae bona barate maligererie arusi no nyankuru boikoyo
okay umugabana 2027 Nyamira County ningo
umugabana nje maete umugabana boni ganga bwate akorukunga Victor Swanyogeto
asiki
Victor Swanyogeto asa korugelikera okorra kera akorire biga sesemo yaitu na akonyeta abantu abange kintakana nande nabwato moyo isipokuwa na abantu bari kumusupport bamu ngainete lakini era nkoranga na bara masakunyara nande no muntu omoke
obo mpinga yore
obo mupigo onde ase Cliff Mbanegisairo
Gisairo engoko asiki
engoko bono turojera yarate amatemire yekagere birasi atemire korosi gego getutumbo kuboito mbia rengororo bono mbia karosi kubono mbirosi no nekyo bisia bagambia otema temire korosi yerono
obo msilingo support
obo MCA bora butinda rora lakini renda bono mwana yorono yoito na botrara na toko mogara asa ko ibanga burungi bono
now William Ruto ningi agode kebe pi abegwe karansa ate apaka gendeka
bono ebinte binge bya akore ne binge bibe lakini rende bono asokurigerelinga amagendera ya akorete amagendera ya rengororo ayo saliri kuringana bino education yorocho saliri aya ebinte binge byarenge for free obibekire byabere baka none chi NHIF ebintu bona bibasa jobo kwatunchiyo ebinte binga akore bireibe
now unokora kwa okore umugusina chama 2027 ba kasa yam
boni garo yo tajeti yamo bakaragererigwe bona bakaragererigwe
kero monda chama
kero boni ga ebiterete bono kama ni mbaya bakatabamo
nyalivo no ale ga igara now to speak ndia kore gasiga Nyamira
nyaliva so kurigererire nde no nyata gotire nabantu bakomugore kwende natematemete
ninki akorire keke kora tetebi ngokora
karoka maiga turuji onjoreri gaki tigatwate abo muntu nabo mobe tigatwate begenta akorire kende kiyana karokyo
echire
abekire ga turuji bono
otore ne municipality karoka
igo otemira so gwenye bono
okora kwago orocho opposition imba chama bonse babegenda kam
opposition na bara masagocha omuntu raji kuba mina no moiko yori lakini rende tigatosabe ngo sabo goito ngabare go chamo nari baranyare
no go saba kwa Matiang'i ikete bo sitaika
Matiang'i ikete ai ikete
ba chamo mbacha
Matiang'i ikete ai ikete bano no mogusi era ndi etu amwire eke
makia gusiangireke
neke makia na njenjo piri goto tomatere ni Matiang'i ari
asema Matiang'i ate no muri mwezi
Matiang'i no tuli maega komo bakengoli na bakerikia koba no tuli maega yae
omari na ko interview nae kwani abantu
ndia mono nje tigangwani abantu boito boda keroka mono stage itu Kisumu ndogo masaba no tions ngo batenga tigatokore gas no nye biasara bya beire bikongu tigatore mereri segine ngo tubwatera na mutu to turusi muntu leketi
ndia mono
asante sana
ngwani ngo thank you ndia mono sana bagusimia spina ikire keroka se chirangi chigwa kiruta turi gwa ndu bichirangi na kibate ambu yole ndo
ndia mono
maleza na gikoro
njengoro kuchoma gebiba
keroka ngiokora
ngenera ngingwaka
erona mweni yako nase kuikorwa
na bongo otebi
now ekyama kya gusingereki
Jubilee tutage
asiki
Jubilee Matiang'i tutagete Matiang'i yakoera na akorete gasingia iroke kerari nge education na roseti education baka chigari jana chigotumeka
igo Matiang'i nero wanelete
Matiang'i
okorigiri kwago opposition Lions P naye bamo mpaka 2027
bakunya kuyumba lakini rende tukagerete ngamba chore Matiang'i ngonya kuyumba bale lakini na bakora ngamba baiguane
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our room has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. As we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.